1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. Booty shake, tap on the hardcore. Shoulder, hitch it, party, hitch it, gimme, 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 gimme some more.
I absolutely adore Shah Rukh. I can do anything for Shah Rukh Khan. I got a call from Rohit Shetty's office saying, I'm so and so from Rohit Shetty's office. Obviously, I thought it was a prank. So my first question, I said, sir, I don't mind doing it, but my only question is, see, you have people like Shah Rukh Khan, you have people like Deepika Padukone in the film. Will I be like a background dancer? Because it could be that I didn't know the whole concept at that point of time.
Yeah.
I thought both of them would be there in the song, and I would just be like a person in the background just coming and doing a cameo like that and going back. Then he said, no, this song is only between you and Shah Rukh. I said, I'm ready. Sign me up right now. I'm doing it. I don't, you don't have to pay me for it also. I'll do it free. I don't mind. I had hearts in my eyes when I saw him because even after pack up, he used to wait for half an hour. He used to get the assistants and the master to stay back, rehearse the steps, whatever was to be done the next day, rehearse everything, and only then he used to go. So, I mean, a man of his stature needn't do that. I'm saying such a big star, he can just say, मैं कल करता हूँ, आने के बाद करता हूँ. But no, in between, we did play Kaun Banega Crorepati on his iPad, and I won 300 rupees. He gave me 300 rupees. I still have that with me.
There's a lot of chatter about Samantha's role in The Family Man too. You're also playing a different kind of character, a grey character, which is of a Naxalite character in Virata Parvam. How do you see that? There's on one side you have a movie with Rana, on the other side you have a movie with his uncle.
Yeah, I think I don't know what to say. I mean, I don't know how to respond to it. I mean, I'm obviously very happy that I got to work with uncle and nephew. And both of them were really almost releasing. They were to release, simultaneously. But it's completely poles apart, the roles. If you see in Virata Parvam, yes, I do play an Axel. I play Rana's deputy in command, and well, actually, if you see, Virata Parvam is sort of like a true story. The love angle there is changed a little for the cinematic comfort. Okay, I'll say cinematic liberty. But most of it is pretty much a true story. And that's going to be completely different because it's obviously it's a de-glamorous role, and, obviously Naxals don't wear makeup and things like that. So even when we were shooting for it also, the director was very particular about how the body language is going to be, how they talk, because the character is a very rough, very obviously deputy in command, like she's second in command after Rana, and she's obviously, for them it's their unit is, it's as one, and come what may, the unit has to survive and things. So that rage was there, in the character, and it was great. I mean, I had a great time working in the film. And it's very raw also. If you see the whole look of the movie, the way it is shot, the way it is lit and things like that. We had a Spanish cameraman for that, Daniel. He's done a marvelous job. I think it's going to be very raw. I think when you see, it's just you're going to be like, wow, the treatment is very raw. Yeah. It's very nice. And on the other hand, Narappa with Venki sir, well, officially it's the remake of the Tamil film Asuran with Dhanush. Which Dhanush and Manju Chechi played. So we're doing the Telugu version of it. So for those who haven't seen, it'll be a new film for them. It'll be a nice film because definitely I think that character is also, it's an
award-winning film.
It is, yes. And the character that I play is a very strong-willed lady who goes through ups and downs, and she just goes with the family, and opinions are there, drama is there, sentiment is there. So that's also a very it's a village-based role. So, and I think I can say after a very long time I'm doing something like that, and I'm really looking forward to both the films.
Even in Bollywood, there's Maidan waiting for you.
Yes, Maidan is there with Ajay sir. Well, I can definitely say that my work is already done. It was done last year itself, much before the lockdown was imposed. But yeah, they still have a bit of work to do.
But have you never thought of doing a film or discussed a film with Shah Rukh Khan? Because I know that you really, really love him, just like I
Well,
do.
I absolutely adore Shah Rukh. I can do anything for Shah Rukh Khan. Uh, but well, see, it's not up to me, to come and say I want to do a film with Shah Rukh. I mean, the makers feel that I'm good enough in the movie, I will be cast.
How did Chennai Express ka song actually happen, and how do you react with knowing that you really like Shah Rukh Khan? I want to know that.
Okay, see, so it happened like this that I got a call from Rohit Shetty's office saying, I'm so and so from Rohit Shetty's office. Obviously, I thought it was a prank because why will a person like Rohit Shetty of all, such a big director, how can he call me? I thought it was a prank. So I called my manager and I said, listen, I've got this number. Such and such a person called me up and he said he's from Rohit Shetty's office. So I don't know if it is a prank or if it's a genuine call. So can you please find out? So he said, okay. And within about like 10 minutes or something, he gave me a call back and he said, no, it's a genuine call. It is from his office. I said, pack bags, let's leave to Bombay right away. So I came to Mumbai. My manager and I, we flew in together. We came to Mumbai. We came to Rohit sir's office. And we were sitting like this one-on-one. And then he said, see, to be very honest, I didn't know much about you, and the only reason was I think somebody had recommended my name to Rohit sir because they said that I would I dance well and things like that. So he said, watch some videos on YouTube of her dance things, and if it is nice, you can take. And he happened to see some of my dance on YouTube, and then he called me and he said, look, I like the way you dance, you've got style, you've got everything, so this is the whole concept, and I'm doing a film like Chennai Express, and my mind was like, I know Shah Rukh Khan is there, Deepika Padukone is there, I know. So obviously I didn't want to come across as very like kind of a thing, so I was just calm, composed, and like, yes sir, yeah. And then he said, look, there's a song that is there. It's a special number, and Vishal and Shekhar have composed it, and it's sung by Hamsika Iyer, and I think you'd be a perfect fit. So my first question, I said, sir, I don't mind doing it, but my only question is, see, you have people like Shah Rukh Khan, you have people like Deepika Padukone in the film. Will I be like a background dancer? Because it could be that I didn't know the whole concept at that point of time. Yeah. I thought both of them would be there in the song, and I would just be like a person in the background just coming and doing a cameo like that and going back. Then he said, no, this song is only between you and Shah Rukh. I said, I'm ready. Sign me up right now. I'm doing it. I don't, you don't have to pay me for it also. I'll do it free. I don't mind because it's Shah Rukh and because obviously it's you. So I would love to do it. And I said, yes. Immediately I said, yes. I didn't think twice. I told my manager, I said, I don't care. I'm going to do the song because it's Shah Rukh. And then so happened that I listened to the song in the office immediately. And then, we started doing the costumes and everything. And within a week, we did the song.
How was it working with Shah Rukh? Did you have those nervous energy? Did you like...
What can I say? I had hearts in my eyes when I saw him because I went in a day before we shot the song, and they were very sweet enough to take me to the set and get introduced to everybody. So when I went to the set, I sat there for like half an hour. I had to wait because they were shooting for a scene. And so first Satyaraj sir came out, the actor who plays Deepika's father.
Yeah.
So I know Satyaraj sir, so I was speaking to him in Tamil. We spoke, and then Deepika came out. Then Rohit sir introduced Deepika and he said, this is Priya, she's going to do the song. So she said, hi, hello. So we spoke, and then our man came in and I was like, I was literally starstruck for like 5 minutes when I saw him, and then he was such a sweetheart. He still is, obviously. He's such a sweetheart. He sat me down and he said, thank you so much for doing this number for us. And then we all actually stopped shoot for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever. And we heard the song on with the speakers and everything on the set. We heard the song, and then all of us were so pumped up, and especially I think more than me, Shah Rukh was a little nervous because obviously we had a South choreographer, Raju Master and Raju Sundaram Master, and Shah Rukh was a little scared because obviously he didn't know how the choreography is going to be because South ka style is completely different. It's like all heavy steps and heavy dance.
Full gyrating.
Full. So, and it was, and one thing I must say is, I'm not just saying this as a fan or I'm just saying this as an audience, that he is, let's face it, I mean, he is one of the biggest stars we have in the country. And after the day's shoot, because we shot it over 5 nights, and every time, obviously you shoot till 2 in the morning or 5 in the morning. The first thing is, when you hear the magic words of it's a wrap, you want to just go, you want to leave the set, you want to go and you want to sleep, right? Because you want to get your sleep and you want to rest up and all that. But this man, even after pack up, he used to wait for half an hour. He used to get the assistants and the master to stay back, rehearse the steps, whatever was to be done the next day, rehearse everything, and only then he used to go. So, I mean, a man of his stature needn't do that. I'm saying, such a big star, he can just say, main kal karta hu, aane ke baad karta hu. But no, and apparently, I think in between shots also, when there was time, he used to rehearse for the steps. He used to rehearse the steps and things like that. He had called the assistants and he had rehearsed the steps and things like that. And so I'm just saying, I mean, look at this man's, his thing to learn the steps, and so that, master should not, nobody, it should not, none of it, we should not waste time in thing. It should be perfect. And, even the steps as much as possible. I mean, he just gave his heart out for the song. And I just became a bigger fan of his after that. And then I can very nicely say that in between, we did play Kaun Banega Crorepati on his iPad. And I won 300 rupees. He gave me 300 rupees. I still have that with me. And
oh, lovely.
Yeah, obviously, if Shah Rukh Khan gives you 300 rupees, you might as well keep it. No, why do you want to spend it? And another thing I must say is, my parents were really, like, obviously on cloud 25, I think, or cloud 100 after hearing that I was going to dance with Shah Rukh. And my father especially, he told me to tell Shah Rukh that, he's a big fan and everything. So that message I did, tell Shah Rukh, and Shah Rukh was really sweet. He got a uncut version, a DVD version of Jab Tak Hai Jaan. And he wrote a very sweet message to my father saying, I think the message went something like, thank you for allowing your daughter to, dance in the film. And I will definitely see you in the premiere of Chennai Express. And we both will dance for 1, 2, 3, 4 together.
How sweet.
A man needn't, I mean, an actor of his stature needn't do that. He could have just said thank you so much and tell your parents thank you, but he actually did it. So I was like, I think that speaks a lot about his humility, his character. I mean, such a humble guy. He's so down to earth. He's very sweet. He makes you feel at home. He makes you feel comfortable on the set. I don't think there was even one doubt. I mean, there's not even one moment where, he acted as a superstar, He was just himself when we were shooting. He's as sweet as he was, and he kept asking, "Are you okay?" Because at that point of time when we shot, it was pretty cold. Where we were shooting. We were shooting at Y, so it was pretty cold. So he said, "Are you okay? Do you need, do you want a jacket?" And he takes care of you so well that you'll be like, that words itself is like heater for me. I don't need anything like this.
But I completely understand your emotions because I'm from Calcutta. I became a journalist at the age, I think I was in the 7th standard when I started doing it for a paper in Calcutta. And my only dream in life was to meet Shah Rukh Khan. That's about it. And, I remember moving to Bombay with that only dream that jis din ko Shah Rukh sir naam se pehchan le, I'll come back to Calcutta. I can't stay away. And you will not believe, he's been the kindest, warmest person to me. He has walked up to me and told me that if there's ever any issue that I go through, that he has an open door for me. I can go up to him and his team and tell. And he, like you said, he need not do that. And today I feel that, being people who have admired him as what we have seen on screen, I admire him more as a person.
Same.
Because after knowing him, that is what you do. And I wish that you do a film with him very soon. It would be lovely to see that. Under his banner because he's producing so many things for my
definitely.
But thank you for this conversation. It was lovely. I can't even tell you that how much fun I've had. So all the best and waiting for Pallavi and season 3 as well.
Thank you for interviewing me. I'm so happy.
I am happy. You made me so happy.